Hello, this is my 15th lecture on complex analysis for 5th SEM DSC students. I'm Ms. RANJANA DUTTA from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today, we will discuss some identities of analytic function. To show that del square by del x square plus del square by del y square is equal to 4 times del square into del x into del z into del z bar. Here, take z is equal to x plus iy and z bar is equal to x minus iy. So, x can be written as half z plus z bar and y can be written as half z minus z bar. Now, del x by del z. Del x by del z is equal to half and del x by del z bar is also equal to half. Now, del y by del z is equal to minus half and del y by del z bar is equal to I by 2. Again, we know del by del z, it can be written as del by del x into del x by del z plus del by del y by del z, which on substituting the values of del x by del z and del y by del z and del x by del z bar and del y by del z bar gives us whatever you can see on your screen. Similarly, del by del z bar is equal to half del by del x plus I del by del y. Now, del by del z into del z bar can be written as 1 by 4 del square by del x square plus del square by del y square. So, del square by del x square plus del square by del y square is equal to 4 del square by del z into del z bar, which we are to prove. Now, take another example. Show that an analytic function with constant modulus is constant. Let the analytic function fz can be written as u plus iv. So modulus of fz whole square can be written as u square plus v square. So modulus of fz is constant. Let us say it is equal to c. So u square plus v square is equal to c square. Now differentiating with respect to x, we can write 2u du by dx plus 2v dv by dx equal to 0, which gives us u del u by del x plus b del v by del x equal to 0, which on applying the Cauchy-Riemann equation we can write it as minus u del v by del x plus v del u by del x is equal to 0. Squaring and adding 1 and 2, we get u square plus v square within bracket del u by del x the whole square plus del v by del x the whole square is equal to 0, which gives us del u by del x the whole square plus del v by del x the whole square is equal to 0. Now, f dash z modulus of f dash z the whole square is equal to 0. Since f dash z is equal to ux plus ivx, since u square plus v square equal to c square is not equal to 0, that is f dash z is equal to 0, hence fz is a constant quantity proved. Now, another example. If fz be any analytic function of z, prove that del 2u by del x square plus del 2 by del y square is and modulus of r of fz the whole square is equal to 3 fz f dash z the modulus the whole square. Let fz is equal to u plus iv. So r of fz is u, real part of fz is equal to u, so del by del x u square is equal to 2u del u by del x. Next, del 2 u square by del x square is given, as you can see. Similarly, del 2 u square by del y square is on your screen. So hence del 2u by del x square plus del 2 by del y square into whole into u square is equal to whatever you can see on your screen. Hence 2 times of del u by del x whole square plus del u by del y the whole square is equal to 2 times del u by del x the whole square plus del v by del x the whole square, applying the Cauchy-Riemann equation. So we can write 2 times f dash z the modulus the whole square, since f dash z is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x. So we can write del square by del x square plus del square by del y square whole u square is equal to 2 times f dash z modulus the whole square. So del 2 by del x square plus del 2 by del y square, real part of fz, the whole square minus is equal to 2 times of fz modulus the whole square, since real part of fz is equal to u, hence approved. So the students, I have given another example, and please try it at home today, this much only. Thank you.